Residential window replacement in Washington, D.C. delivers immediate value for comfort, curb appeal, and long-term performance, especially for homeowners seeking energy-efficient windows, double-pane window replacement, triple-pane window replacement, and insulated window units. From vinyl window replacement and wood window replacement to fiberglass window replacement and aluminum window replacement, the right product improves efficiency and style. Modern home window upgrade services Washington, D.C. also include low-E glass windows, soundproof windows, and custom residential windows Washington, D.C. for properties that need better insulation and quieter interiors. For projects requiring residential window replacement services Washington, D.C., experienced window contractors Washington, D.C. can handle window frame replacement, residential glass replacement, and whole house window replacement with precision. Homeowners looking for specialty windows Washington, D.C. solutions can also benefit from customized designs that enhance both appearance and performance. Specialty windows Washington, D.C. are ideal for homeowners who want a custom look and higher performance in one installation. Specialty window replacement can include casement window replacement, awning window replacement, bay window replacement, bow window replacement, picture window replacement, and garden window replacement, all sized and designed to fit unique openings. Premium specialty windows in Washington, D.C. also support modern window upgrades with impact-resistant windows, low-E replacement windows Washington, D.C., and premium window installation Washington, D.C. options. For homes in need of residential specialty window installation Washington, D.C., custom window installation and custom window replacement Washington, D.C. create a polished result that complements both traditional and contemporary architecture. Historic home window replacement in Washington, D.C. requires careful craftsmanship, code awareness, and materials that respect older structures while improving performance. Historic window replacement Washington, D.C. often pairs wood window replacement with energy-efficient window replacement Washington, D.C. to preserve character without sacrificing comfort. Homeowners seeking window replacement near Capitol Hill, D.C., custom windows in Georgetown, Washington, D.C., or residential windows in Northwest Washington, D.C. often need tailored solutions for sash profiles, frame details, and glass options. Window frame installation and replacement Washington, D.C. can restore integrity before full installation, and specialty windows Washington, D.C. provide a balanced approach for historic districts and landmark homes alike. Energy-efficient windows are among the most requested upgrades for house window replacement Washington, D.C. because they reduce drafts, improve indoor comfort, and help control utility costs. Double-pane window replacement Washington, D.C. and triple-pane window installation Washington, D.C. are especially effective for cold winters and humid summers, while low-E replacement windows Washington, D.C. help block heat transfer and UV exposure. Insulated window units add another layer of performance for homes that need better thermal protection. Whether the project involves vinyl replacement windows Washington, D.C. or fiberglass frames, energy-efficient window replacement Washington, D.C. offers lasting benefits for homeowners throughout the city and surrounding neighborhoods. Window replacement Washington, D.C. services are strongest when they combine local knowledge with product variety and precise installation. Window installers in DuPont Circle. Washington, D.C. frequently work on older properties that need specialty glass windows in Adams Morgan, Washington, D.C., while replacement windows in Chevy Chase, D.C. may call for larger formats and premium finishes. Residential specialty window installation. Washington, D.C. can include custom residential windows Washington, D.C., specialty windows Washington, D.C., and home window upgrade services Washington, D.C. designed for specific layouts. From residential window replacement services Washington, D.C. to custom window replacement Washington, D.C., skilled teams understand how to deliver dependable results for both small projects and full property upgrades. Soundproof window replacement is a smart investment for urban living, especially near busy corridors, transit lines, and dense neighborhoods. Soundproof windows paired with triple-pane window replacement or insulated window units can significantly reduce outside noise, making homes quieter and more comfortable. Low-E glass windows and impact-resistant windows further enhance performance, while premium specialty windows in Washington, D.C. offer the right mix of acoustic control and visual appeal. For homeowners comparing residential window replacement, custom window installation, and premium window installation Washington, D.C., the best solution often depends on glass thickness, frame design, and the level of sound reduction needed for daily life. Vinyl window replacement Washington, D.C. remains a popular choice because it combines affordability, durability, and low maintenance for a wide range of residential applications. Wood window replacement appeals to homeowners who value classic aesthetics, especially in historic home window replacement Washington, D.C. projects. Fiberglass window replacement offers strength and stability, while aluminum window replacement can suit modern window upgrades with slim sightlines. Whether the goal is custom window installation, whole house window replacement, or replacement windows in Chevy Chase, D.C., homeowners benefit from selecting materials that match their architecture, budget, and performance expectations for long-term satisfaction. Custom window replacement Washington, D.C. is the best route when standard sizes, shapes, or finishes will not meet the needs of a property. Specialty window replacement projects often include bay window replacement, bow window replacement, picture window replacement, and garden window replacement, each requiring expert measurement and careful fitting. Custom residential windows Washington, D.C. and specialty windows Washington, D.C. can transform living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms with more light and better views. For premium specialty windows in Washington, D.C., homeowners often pair design flexibility with energy-efficient windows, low-E replacement windows Washington, D.C., and residential glass replacement to create a refined and functional result. Window replacement near Capitol Hill, D.C., residential windows in Northwest Washington, D.C., and custom windows in Georgetown, Washington, D.C. all benefit from local installers who understand architectural variety and neighborhood standards. Window contractors. Washington, D.C. provide residential window replacement services Washington, D.C. that cover window frame replacement, house window replacement Washington, D.C., premium specialty windows in Washington, D.C., and specialty glass windows in Adams Morgan, Washington, D.C. Whether the need is double-pane window replacement, triple-pane window installation, impact-resistant windows, or historic window replacement Washington, D.C., the right team delivers reliable craftsmanship and a tailored fit for every home across Washington, D.C. Specialty windows Washington, D.C. projects demand expert planning, precise measurements, and premium materials for lasting performance in homes across Capitol Hill, Georgetown, DuPont Circle, Adams Morgan, Northwest Washington, D.C., and Chevy Chase, D.C. Residential specialty window installation Washington, D.C. can include specialty window replacement, custom window installation, custom residential windows Washington, D.C., and premium specialty windows in Washington, D.C. for unique architectural needs, historic facades, and modern home upgrades. Window contractors Washington, D.C. often recommend specialty glass windows in Adams Morgan, Washington, D.C., custom windows in Georgetown, Washington, D.C., and window installers in DuPont Circle, Washington, D.C. for tailored style, energy savings, and curb appeal. Energy-efficient window replacement Washington, D.C. is one of the most requested upgrades for homeowners seeking lower utility bills and better indoor comfort. Energy-efficient windows, low-E glass windows, insulated window units, double-pane window replacement, triple-pane window replacement, and low-E replacement windows Washington, D.C. help reduce heat transfer and improve performance throughout every season. Homeowners searching for house window replacement. Washington, D.C. Residential window replacement services Washington, D.C. or whole house window replacement can benefit from vinyl replacement windows Washington, D.C., fiberglass window replacement, aluminum window replacement, and wood window replacement depending on design goals and budget. Historic home window replacement Washington, D.C. requires careful attention to character, detail, and preservation standards while still delivering modern efficiency. Historic window replacement. Washington, D.C. Historic home window replacement and window frame replacement Washington, D.C. are ideal for properties needing authentic styling with upgraded materials. Residential window replacement. Window frame installation and replacement Washington, D.C., and residential glass replacement can restore beauty without compromising compliance, especially in older neighborhoods where modern window upgrades must blend with original architecture. Custom window replacement Washington, D.C. gives homeowners the flexibility to choose the right style, shape, and performance level for every room. Specialty windows Washington, D.C. options like casement window replacement, awning window replacement, bay window replacement, bow window replacement, picture window replacement, and garden window replacement create dramatic natural light and improved ventilation. Premium window installation. Washington, D.C. and custom window replacement Washington, D.C. are ideal for homeowners wanting a personalized solution, whether the project is a single room or full residential window replacement. Soundproof windows and impact-resistant windows are strong choices for busy urban areas where noise reduction and durability matter. Soundproof window replacement Washington, D.C. helps reduce traffic and city noise near major corridors, while impact-resistant windows improve protection and long-term value. Modern homeowners often choose triple-pane window installation Washington, D.C., vinyl window replacement Washington, D.C., and premium window installation Washington, D.C. for better insulation, stronger security, and smoother operation in premium home window upgrade services Washington, D.C. Homeowners investing in specialty windows Washington, D.C. can enjoy custom aesthetics, enhanced efficiency, and lasting performance tailored to their property's unique needs.